In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create Gmail and Google account without phone number. So I'm provide full guide. Please don't skip my video. So I'm open Gmail profile and click on add another account. Select Google, continue, use another account and showing it to create account. Press on to create account for my personal use, for work or my business. I'm select for my personal use. Write name, press on next, set date of birth, gender and next. Okay, you just select suggest or create your own Gmail address. Okay, I'm select this and next. Enter strong password and next. So these are very important. You get two options, next and skip. Tap on to skip option. Next. Agree. Okay, alright. Now successfully create to Gmail account. As you can see, now successfully create Gmail account without phone number. That's it.